The snow is gone, the days are longer, and we are minutes from mowing season. But before you throw your snowblower back in the corner, here are my top 5 snowblower storage tips to keep your machine looking and running like new. It's time to summarize this snowblower. Stick around. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. And remember, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. Before we get rolling, let me be clear that this video is going to be for you beginners out there. 5 basic, easy to follow, successful storage tips that should only take you about 30 minutes to complete. Sure, there's plenty of other things that you could do to your snowblower, but these are the 5 must-dos to ensure the longevity of your machine. Your snowblower is one of the biggest investments in your garage. And if you want it to start right up for you next season without an issue, then this first tip is a must. Emptying out the gas tank. Even if you run ethanol-free gas like me, get it out. Some may say just put fuel stabilizer in there, and that may work okay for some people, but I'm here to tell you that I did that once a long time ago, and that machine never ran right from the beginning of that season. You can spend the extra money on stabilizer, or you can just turn it on and let the gas run out. 10 years going strong with no startup issues season after season. Draining the gas out works for me, just saying. I'm going to park this snowblower at the end of my garage, start it up, and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes until it dies. Old gas comes up carburetors, and we're gonna get it all out. There wasn't much gas left inside, so what I'm gonna do now is just give it a few pulls, make sure there's nothing left, and see if it'll restart. Nothing. Doing that step alone will save you a ton of headaches when you go to start that thing back up next winter. I'll have a video linked down below in the description on a carburetor that had gas sitting in it for way too long. That carburetor was a total mess, and that thing definitely needed a tune-up. Be sure to check it out when this video's done. For tip number 2, I recommend locating your carburetor, untwisting the drain bolt at the bottom of the bowl, and draining out any remaining gas. Tighten it back up and you're all set. This is a great way to ensure that your carburetor is free of any gas. Check out all the gas hiding inside that carburetor. I'm glad I got that out. No startup issues for me next season. For tip number 3, we're gonna pull that engine to top dead center. This will move the engine piston to the top of the cylinder, preventing rust and corrosion inside that engine block. Here's what you're going to do. You're gonna grab onto the pull cord, pull back, and when you feel some tension, just like I did right there, that's when the engine piston is at top dead center. Just set the cord back, and you're done. For tip number 4, what we're gonna do now is change the oil while the engine is still hot. You worked that engine hard all winter long, and all that gunk suspended in the oil, well, it needs to come out. I'm gonna begin by lifting up the front end of the snowblower and sticking some wooden blocks underneath. This will help all the oil roll to the back of the engine. I'm gonna take off my drain plug and let it empty out into a pan. Once that oil is drained out of the engine, fill it back up to your engine specifications, and you'll be ready to go with fresh oil as soon as winter arrives. For tip number 5, it's time to apply a protective coating. I like to use a wide variety of products for this. You could get it all done with just one like WD-40, and I have used that for years with plenty of success. But if you want to apply some serious protection, then reach for something like this. This is rust inhibitor spray sent to us by our good friends at Liquid Wrench. It does not freeze, melt, dry, or crack. It penetrates and displaces moisture, lubricates and protects metal in high temperatures and high humidity. This is also safe on all painted surfaces. We're gonna get this in all crevices, rust spots, and exposed metal. I like to spray a surface quickly and wipe it all around to apply a thin coat. Be sure to spray the top, bottom, and all sides of your snowblower. Be sure to spray down there. Just a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. And if you use it right, these cans can last you a while. Before I tuck this away for the summer, what I like to do is coat this entire interior as best as possible. This way, in case I miss a spot, I got oil soaking right in. I'll wipe down whatever I can reach, but anything else I can't just sits. Rust doesn't stand a chance. I think it's safe to say that if you soak the cardboard here like I did, you got it good. Now, if you want to check other things on your snowblower like your belts, your augers, your gearbox, or even your spark plug, now is a good time to do so. But by having these 5 must-do tips complete, your snowblower is now ready to be tucked away while you enjoy your summer. Hey, check this out. MakeStickers.com set us up with these awesome garage gear die cut stickers. You can order stickers, roll labels, and bumper stickers from them. What I like most about their stickers is that they are waterproof and scratch resistant. They have a split back so they're easy to apply, and they have a strong adhesive so they hang on tight, but can be removed easier too if necessary. MakeStickers.com will be giving away 50 free stickers or 50 free labels of your own design to one of our subscribers. This offer will be available to US residents only until April 15th. To enter, just leave a clean, non-offensive comment about this video down below. A winner will be chosen at random by computer. When a winner is chosen, we will need an email address for further information. I wonder what else I could decorate with all these bad boys. Don't forget to give me one of these. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage. What the hell is this? It's spring! Winter, time to quit drinking, bro.